Ya tú sabes, that is spaz. Ya tú sabes, that I spaz. Ey, estoy escuchando los voces que dicen que sigo atrás. Los digo que sigo rompiendo. Still got my foot on the gas. Still going 100 what they doing.
How y'all doing? My new subscribers was popping. For no one that wanted to do this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Esto fue que se anime al gym. I've been lifting up all of this baggage. Remember staying up 2 or 3 nights cause I didn't get no sleep, I was too busy trapping. Escribiendo un par de canciones para irme a sleep, man, you know I was spazzing. Pa' de blonde y se cae Dolores.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Tranqui Kiddo 7 back with another video. How y'all doing out there, guys? For my new subscriber was popping. For the one that always been this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all for real, for real. How y'all doing out there, guys? Hope everybody's doing good. I hope everybody's staying motivated. I hope everybody's building. And like I always say, guys, never forget to pray. Anything you do in life, always pray. So in today's video, we working on a trike that I've been working on. The video before that, I had a lot of problems going through it. Just like life, guys, when you think you gotta figure it out, you know, life is tough. You know, it's not gonna be easy. You gotta detour. There's a lot of detour in life, especially with projects. All right, but we got it done. You know, enjoy the video. Okay, guys. So we're gonna be installing this ones right here. We're gonna be taking care of this one right here. We got the tires for them, so we're gonna be installing tires and the fenders and a couple other little gadgets. All right. Alright guys, so we just installed the tires. We got the tires on. Now we're going to be putting on the fenders. You can see. My bad guys, my bad. I just been, you know, focused and I haven't been recording. But this is what we got so far. This is what we got. What you think? You let me know, guys, what you think. This is what we got so far. All right, so this is the handlebars that we're going to be installing for this one right here. As you can see how it's coming out. Let me know how you think it's coming out, guys. All right, guys, so we finally took this joint off right here. So I had this seat post stuck in this rim right here. I'm going to put that one in there, though. But it's not going to be like that. Don't worry, guys. So I had this seat post stuck in there. So I had a friend of mine came. He was like, yo, just use one of these pliers right here. You know what I mean? I'm like, oh, bad. Yo, he told me to use this. This came out right. I was just like, ding, 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 ding. Came out right out. Came right off, guys. It was very, very easy. So if you have one of this stuck, use these pliers. Very easy. So we back in business. What I wanted to do with the seat, I wanted to put banana seat and the sissy bar, but it wasn't a good fit. You know, I don't think it was a good fit for it. So right now we're gonna put a cruiser seat on it, and we're gonna see how it's gonna look from there on. So we just took the seat out. We're going to be installing this clamp right here. You got to be very careful with this one right here. This is about 13. You got to be very careful with this ones. Okay. We got that. Now we're gonna put the seat on. tightening it. Oh, I lose something. My bad. You want to be careful with the paint. You don't want to mess. You know how many times I mess paint up? Just by doing this and just by slipping. A couple times. Should be good now. I think we got it, guys. It's not 100% done, but it's done. It's there. It is definitely there, guys. Now we gotta get the back. Alright, so right now I just installed the chain. The chain I used was from other broken chains that I have took apart. As you can see, it's a little different colors on them because I use different kinds. Just whatever I had left over, and I just combined them, put them together. Right now I'm gonna install the pedals. Okay guys, so with the handlebars, right, they're tightened all the way. As you can see right here, they're tightened, but they're still loose. As you can see, they move. So what I have to fix that problem is this right here. It's called Sheens, or I don't know, I just put an adapter on it. So this is what we're gonna install. If you know what this is called, I think it's like Sheen or something like that. Comment on the video below. I'm gonna be installing this right here because this part is too small. So we're gonna install this right here to give it more grip and to give it more durability. As you can see here, guys, we put the part in. As you can see how it looks. As you can see how there's a lot more space available too. And it's strong. It's not going anywhere right now. Nowhere. So get yourself those if your handlebars are loose. So right now we're gonna be installing the grips. I wanted to get green grips, but the green I have are very bright green. It's not a dark green. If I would have had a dark green grips, I would have installed it, but I don't. So I'm gonna be putting a black one for it can match the seat. Okay, so right now we're gonna be installing mirrors for this bad boy right here. I'm putting this twisted mirrors on. You see where we put the grips, the black seat, green reflectors, green frame. We're gonna be also putting in some dice valve caps, some green ones, and maybe an antenna. I'm not sure yet. Maybe we're gonna be installing an antenna on this bad boy. All right. Alright, what's up, guys? So this is the end result right here that we got. So just gotta add little things together, nothing too crazy, but this is the end result. This is what we have. As you can see, what you guys think. What do you guys think? Let me in the comments below what you guys think about this trike. It took time, but you know what? We got it done. What you guys think about the video? Let me know. Let me know how the trike came out. Like I said, I had a couple different problems that I went through. Video before this video, which the fork didn't fit. I couldn't find the right fork, so I used a 26-inch fork. Because the frame it comes with is a Schwinn frame, and usually the Schwinn frames are different from lowrider bikes, but we got it done. I just want to thank y'all guys so much for the love. I want to thank y'all for the support. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for watching the whole video. I appreciate it so much. Like I always say, guys, keep building, keep riding, keep living, and never forget to pray, guys. Always stay motivated, always stay active. God bless you and have a good night. Peace.